कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaaya. नीतः सुग्रीवमैत्रीं तदनु हनुमता दुन्दुभेः कायमुच्चये क्षिप्त्वाङ्गुष्ठेन भूयो लुलुविथ युगपत् पत्रिणा सप्तसालान् हत्वा सुग्रीवघातोद्यतमतुलबलं वालिनं व्याजवृत्या वर्षावेलामनैषीर्विरहतरलितस्त्वं मतङ्गाश्रमान्ते. Taking on friendship with Sugriva and then with Hanuman, the body of Dundubhi, flinging it far with your big toe, then cutting down 7 sala trees with a single arrow, slaying Vali, who was of great might and who was intent on killing Sugriva through trickery, you spent the rainy season suffering the pangs of separation from your beloved in the Matanga ashrama. Sugrivenanujoktya sabhayamabhiyata vyuhitam vahinim tam Rukshanam vikshya dikshu drutamath dayita marganaya vanamram sandeshancanguliyam pavanasutakare pradisho modashali marge marge mamarge kapibhirapi tada Tvatpriyasa prayasaihi. Upon Lakshmana's words, as Sugriva approached fearfully, that mighty army formation of monkeys, looking at it, bowed down and ready to search for Devi Sita in all directions, you bestowed a message and your ring in the hands of the son of wind with joy. Then the monkeys too, in their love for you and with great effort, started searching for Devi Sita along each and every path. Tvadvarta karnanodyadgarudurujava sampati sampati vakya protirnarnodhirantar nagari janakajam vikshya dattvaanguliyam prakshudyo dhyanamakshakshapanachanarana sodhabandho dashasyam दृष्ट्वा प्लुष्ट्वा च लङ्कां झटिति स हनुमान् मौलिरत्नं ददौ ते. Upon hearing your story, as the vulture Sampati sprouted wings, and upon his words crossing the ocean, entering Lanka, seeing Devi Sita, and giving her the ring, destroying the Ashokavatika, vanquishing Aksha in battle, tolerating the binds of Brahmastra, setting fire to Lanka, Hanuman quickly returned and gave Sita's crest jewel to you. Tvan Sugrivaangadaadi prabala kapichamu chakra vikranta bhumi chakro bhikramya pare jaladhi nishicharendranuja shriyamanaha. तत्प्रोक्तां शत्रुवार्तां रहसि निशमयन् प्रार्थनापार्थ्यरोषप्रास्ताग्नेयास्त्रतेजस्त्रसदुदधिगिरा लब्धवान् मध्यमार्गम्. You, along with Sugriva, Angada, and other mighty warriors of the monkey army, crossing large spans of land, you got ready to cross the ocean as you were sought refuge by the younger brother of the king of Rakshasas. Listening to what he has said in secret, angered by your unheard prayers, as you were about to employ the Agneyastra, frightened by its power, through the words of the ocean, you found a way through the middle of it. कीशैराशान्तरोपाहृतगिरिनिकरै सेतुमाधाप्य यातोऽन्यामर्द्यदंष्ट्रा नखशिखरिशिलासालशस्त्रैः स्वसैन्यैः व्याकुर्वन् सानुजस्त्वं समरभुवि परं विक्रमं शक्रजेत्रा वेगान्नागास्त्रबद्धः पतगपतिगरुन्मारुतैर्मोचितो भोः. As the monkeys gathered chunks of mountains from everywhere, building a bridge and crossing it, destroying the enemy armies, with your army equipped with fangs, nails, mountain rocks and trees, displaying enormous might on the battlefield, but then by Indrajit quickly bound up by the Nagastra, you were then released by the gusts of wind from the wings of Garuda. सौमित्रिस्त्वत्र शक्तिप्रहृतिगलदसुर्वातजानीतशैलघ्राणात् प्राणानुपेतो व्यकृणुत कुसृतिश्लाघिनं मेघनादम् मायाक्षोभेषु वैभीषणवचनहृतस्तम्भनः कुम्भकर्णम् सम्प्राप्तं कम्पितोर्वीतलमखिलचमूभक्षिणं यक्षिणोस्त्वम्. There, as the son of Sumitra, hit by the Shakti Astra, was losing his life, the mountain brought by the son of wind, by smelling it, regained his life and killed that master at evil methods, Meghanada. Stupefied by the illusion of Ravana, you were then released by the words of Vibhishana, and as Kumbhakarna approached you, making the earth tremble and eating up the entire army, you killed him. Grunhan jambhari sampreshitaratha-kavachau Ravanenabhiyudhyan Brahmastrenasya bhindan Galatati-mabalam-agnishuddham pragrunhan Devashrenivaro-jivita-samaramrutai-rakshatair-rakshasanghay Lanka-bhartra cha sakam Nija-nagaramaga sapriyaf pushpakena. Receiving the chariot and armor sent by Indra, battling Ravana, cutting down his row of heads with the Brahmastra, and taking back Devi Sita purified by fire, as the Vanaras who died in battle were brought back to life unharmed by the greatest order of Devas, along with them and with the now king of Lanka, you returned to your own city with your beloved on the Pushpaka Vimana. Prito divyabhishekairayuta samadhikan vatsaran paryaransi maithilyam papavacha Shiva Shiva kila tang garbhinim abhyahasi Shatrughnenardayitva lavana nishicharam Prardaya Shudrapasham Tavadvalmiki gehe कृतवसति रूपासूतसीता सुतौ ते. Pleased with the divine coronation, you ruled for more than 10,000 years happily. Shiva Shiva, upon Maithili's slander, didn't you abandon her who was pregnant? Having Lavanasura killed by Shatrughna and vanquishing Shudrapasha, within that time, residing in Valmiki's abode, Devi Sita gave birth to your 2 sons. वाल्मीकेस्त्वत्सुतोद्गापितमधुरकृते राज्ञया यज्ञवाटे सीतां त्वय्याप्तु कामे क्षितिमविशदसौ त्वञ्च कालार्थितो भूः. हेतोः सौमित्रिघाती स्वयमथ सरयूमग्ननिःशेषभृत्यैः साकन्नाकं प्रयातो निजपदमगमो देववैकुण्ठमाद्यम्. As Valmiki taught your sons to sing the sweet acts of yours, in the place of Yajna, as you were desirous of reuniting with Sita, she went back into the earth. You too, upon the request of Yama, for that reason abandoning Lakshmana, immersed yourself into Sarayu and along with all your attendants went to Svargaloka, and from there you went to your own abode, O Lord, the highest Vaikuntha. Soyam martyavatarastav khalu niyatam martya shiksharthamevam vishleshartirniragastyajanamapi bhavet kamadharmati saktya no chet svatmanubhute kvanu tava manaso vikriya chakrapane Sattvan sattvaikamurte pavanapurapate vyadhunu vyadhitapan. Such a human incarnation of yours, didn't it happen this way only to educate mankind? The pangs of separation, dejection, or abandonment might happen due to extreme indulgence in desire or duty. Otherwise, in you, who is established in the experience of self, how could there be disturbances of the mind, O one who wields the chakra? That you, O complete embodiment of Sattva, O Lord of the city of wind, destroy the sufferings of my ailment.